10th anniversary of Museum of Goa. I think it's really a milestone. We started it 10 years ago in 2015. Most of my friends advised me against starting it because I had 4 crores of rupees which I had because I had sold a house and I was 55 years old. And people said, live happily ever after with that money. Why are you using that money to start some museum which will not work? 5 log nahi aayenge. That was the advice. Today we get 100 to 300 people coming. And well, I'm not living happily ever after. I'm living happier ever after. And thanks for my daughter Sharda and son and all the rest of the Moog team that I think Moog is going to rock.
Hi, I'm Sharda Kerkar and I'm here introducing you to Festivals of Goa. It's our 10th anniversary exhibition which entails 4 different types of shows. 200 artists have participated to showcase their work. We have a photography show, a multimedia show, a children's show, and most importantly a collaborative community art exhibition that showcases a giant 21 feet Narkasur, a long Matori, there is a crocheted Christmas tree, there are hundreds of works that talk about Goa through the lens of festivals, and I really hope that each one of you can come and join us. It starts on the 9th of November and ends on the 18th of January.
Hey, this is Nilankur and it's great to be in this space called Museum of Goa that is celebrating 10th year anniversary. I think for an art and cultural institute, it's always good to have this 10 years as a foundation to grow roots here. And I'm sure we will go from Goa to global soon.
I've just come to watch. We've been seeing Moog grow. I was here, the date was launched 10 years ago on November 5th. And over the years, it's so nice to see it grow and become such a part of life in Goa. In fact, it is the best meeting place for anybody who wants to have anything to do with the art and culture in Goa. So it's so nice to be here today, and I hope over the next few years it will grow bigger and bigger.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.